Carta makes some of the most amazing paper sticker packs. I love to buy things like this in a kit. So that way I know that my stickers and my paper are all gonna match and coordinate. And I have lots of different choices. And this cardstock is very, very good quality. Now here are the stickers. We have Hello There Sunshine, Choose Happiness, Happy. Hello Sunshine, do things that make you happy. But there are lots of fruits, flowers, beautiful color palette, some borders down here, and then here are the patterned papers, and I will show you both sides of these. There are peaches, these little purple and blue flowers, and we have these cutout sheets on the back. You can cut those out. You can cut out these for journaling blocks, dates, whatever you want to put on these. You can cut these squares out. Here are tags. So these are great for scrapbook pages. They are great for making cards. Here's another one. Oh, these flowers are really pretty, but you can see how everything color coordinates. So no matter what papers you choose, they're all gonna match. Then we have lemons, we have mixed fruit, and some really pretty flowers on this one, a smaller print. And there are more beautiful cutout sheets. Here we have orange, and then there's watermelons, pears, lemons on that one. Here's a really pretty yellow with honeybees. Oh, love that one. Here are lots of leaves, and on the back there's another cutout sheet. So, you know, let's say you cut out this one because you wanted to use it on a card. You could still use the back of this, or you could use a back of that to do the base of your card. So many great options. Here's red and strawberries, mint green, and little signs with all the different fruits on them, red flowers and dark green leaves, more cutout sheets. I love this. Life is so sweet. These are great for making junk journals or whatever you want to do. And then here is the sheet that comes with this, and it shows you the different papers that come with it and the different stickers and the cutout sheets. But this is really good weight cardstock. It does, I don't know if it says the weight on it. These are 12 by 12 sheets. Really good weight cardstock. And it's got a little bit of a texture to it. Not really a linen, but it's very, very nice weight. Love Carta products.